performing front raises. So for that, we'll take a hammer grip. After taking the hammer grip, make sure you keep a small bend on the elbow, and then you raise the dumbbell almost to your eye level, more than the shoulder level. Okay. And now there is two things you need to be careful of while doing this exercise. So while bringing it down, you should descend with a control, complete control. Yes. When he takes the dumbbell down, he's actually controlling the downward movement. He's not just dropping it down. So some people perform like this, like they take it up and then they just drop. Yeah, like this. Instead of that, you do a controlled descent. Yes. Now the second thing to keep in mind is, while you perform this exercise, some people has a tendency to use the body swing as, yes, like this. So basically swinging the weight halfway and then using the muscle. So if you want to target the muscle which you are actually targeting this exercise, that's your anterior deltoid, you should take it up slowly and then you should bring it down slowly. A controlled and steady movement. No swing action from the body, only using the shoulder, especially your anterior deltoid, to lift the dumbbell up and then slowly going down.